I love the color combination. Look at that. I feel so special. I feel so special. Hi, it's so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. And if you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. How are you doing today? I do a lot of beauty subscription unboxings and try-ons because, you know, it's makeup. It's mine. I want to try it on. Everything you see in this video I purchased. It's not sponsored. It's not an ad. Nothing. I bought it with my own money. Clearly I have a problem, as you can see from behind me. But if you're interested in subscribing to the Ipsy Glam Bag, I'll actually leave a link down below. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you're interested in seeing more of me. We're gonna be doing an Ipsy versus Ipsy. Yes. So last month, Ipsy had a sale on mystery bags, so I got one. It was $12, it was plus tax, so it came out to $12.84, and I just never got around to opening it up. This big. It's now sold out, so you can't go on Ipsy and get it. Sorry. And then today I got this bag, which is my typical September bag. So Ipsy used to run $10 a month plus tax. It has recently gone up. I'm still paying $10 because I signed up for a year, but now if you decide to purchase it, it's $12 plus tax. We're gonna try on all the makeup included in both bags and see which one's better, the Ipsy Mystery or the Ipsy September.
Round one, fight!
They both cost the same amount, so it's going to be a fantastic comparison. So if you're interested, I'm going to go back in time to see what's included in both bags. So I'm going to start with the mystery bag first, since I've had that the longest. I love that the packaging was gold. It just gives it like a whole different feel. And this is what the bag looked like. Oh, such a pretty pink. Very nice. And has the Ipsy tag. Yes, right there. Ipsy tag right on it. So that is a cutie. And then let's see what the regular Ipsy bag looks like. Oh, it's like Constellation. I didn't even see. So that's the front of it. And the back is just a plain pink. So it's almost like a variation of the mystery bag. Look at that. Ooh, and it has a crystal as the tag, which is so cool. I wonder what kind of stone this is. Is it just plastic? No. Yeah, it's just plastic. I don't know why I thought this was a real crystal. I don't know, it has gunk all over it though. What the hell, man? Ipsy, you could have spent a little bit more to get rid of the gunk. Look at it. There's gunk over my stuff. You see that? Ipsy. So this is my first time doing a versus video, so I'm not really sure how I'm gonna play it. What I'm gonna try and do is put a big old M right here if I'm pulling out anything from the mystery bag, and then pulling up a big old I, right, for Ipsy, I guess, if it's gonna be the regular September bag. I think that makes sense. I'm sorry if it doesn't. So this is the theme for September. It says find your light. So I'm actually going to start with the September Ipsy Glam Bag. He Met Biologics, and it's a burdock root buttercream. And it's a line of high performance hair products inspired by African, Mediterranean, and what? Ayurvedic hair care traditions. Loaded with moisture, this nourishing cream includes Mediterranean olive oil, burdock root, and nettle leaf to help strengthen, condition, and soften dry hair. This would be super helpful for me because I do have thin, fine hair. This, I know it looks luscious to you, but it's a wig. It's a wig. You can get it for $8. Oh, what that looks like. That was a lot more than I anticipated. And if you did end up getting the full size, it's $19. Murad. This is a pretty fancy skincare line. I'm not really sure. I can't remember if I've actually ever gotten a product from this brand before, but I'm very curious to try it out. Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture. See that? The box is a little busted up, but it's probably because it was in the bag. I'm surprised they put a full box in there. The full size of this is $75, so it's definitely up there in price. This rich yet lightweight skin saver is infused with shea butter, sunflower seed oil, coconut fruit extract, and avocado oil to instantly moisturize, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and improve your skin texture. Well, my face is freshly washed. Texture feels like basically just a regular moisturizer. Very creamy texture. Just gonna put some on my face. Doesn't really have a scent to it. Feels fine. Nothing like out of the ordinary as a moisturizer. It's okay. Not mad at it. I'm definitely happy to have another moisturizer, especially one that's that expensive. Always a pleasure. I don't have to pay for it. So the next product that I'm going to be fishing out is going to be coming from the mystery bag. I know, everyone's curious. And I have an item from the Moods palette, actually. And it's a single shadow. What is this one? Oh, the Moods palette didn't have a name. I actually have an unboxing where I did this full palette. So I'm going to use that instead and probably just throw this into a giveaway or something. This is a full Moods palette. Like I said, I got it in an Ipsy Plus bag a while back. If you want curious to see the video, I'll make a note. I'll put a little dot right there for you. Oh wow, that's really non-existent. Yeah, maybe it's not that great of a transition shade for me. It's not even there. It's just making my hand ashy. I'll still use it because we gotta create a look with both these bags. I know, it looks exactly like the concealer. I promise you this is the color. It is just that light that it matches the concealer I used. This is from the Beauty Crop. The casing with the light on it looks amazing. And the color is Serene. That is the color. That's a beautiful like purple shimmer. Inspired by healthy living, utilizing plant-based ingredients. Ooh, so it's vegan. And natural oils. This metallic plum shadow is buttery smooth, richly pigmented, and perfect for fall. Ooh, that's a nice purple. And that's what my eye is looking like so far. My brush is not picking up a lot of color. I can't tell you how many times I've done this. Yeah, I'm like digging in there. I definitely have some color. I guess I've gotten used to just like one swipe and I'm done, as opposed to, you know, having to do multiple just to get like a little bit of color to show up. It is buildable, so you just have to keep going back in, adding more color until you get what you want. So it's okay. But look at the pan. Look at it. I've been scratching that surface like crazy to try and get some kind of pigment out of there. I am not impressed at all with this purple by the Beauty Crop. So far I'm not impressed. Serene used to suck. And the Beauty Crop is currently out of stock on Ipsy, but it runs $10. Hello? Can you hear me? Thanks for watching. So, because you made it this far, guess what? I have a second Ipsy mystery bag. All you have to do is put a comment down below. And on the 15th, come back to this video right here. I'm going to do a raffle and I'll put a name down in the description as to who won. It's all about an Ipsy mystery. So just put a comment down below and you could win. Okay, so we're going back into the mystery bag base tape primer. Double Duty Beauty. Seems super liquidy. I don't know if I like how runny it is. Like all the other primers I have just kind of stay where you put them. Alright, so I have the primer on. Feels kind of moisturizing actually. I'm gonna jump back into the September bag. I got a foundation. This is the first time I have ever gotten a foundation from Ipsy. And it is Smashbox. And it's shade 405. Studio Skin 24-hour wear hydrating foundation. And it's a little sample size. It's not the big one. I don't know if they got my shade right though. Does it look right? It looks a little lighter than me. This oil-free matte finish, medium to full coverage foundation on. So it's gonna go like that. A little bit over here, a little bit over here. Ooh, very liquidy. But that's okay. I kind of prefer a liquid foundation. I don't think I've tried anything other than liquid foundation in so long. Oh, it looks so patchy. Did I use too much? Like, what the hell? Well, I'll tell you what, I'm not buying this. I am not buying this. Oh, okay, it's drying, so that's good. This is definitely like a medium coverage. There's no way this is full. So I haven't gotten to the top bit. This is just like my eyes and down. What do you think? I think it's a really good match, honestly. But the only thing that's bothering me is it doesn't look like it's a full coverage. A few things I do like, it doesn't look like I'm wearing foundation. Maybe I've been getting foundation that's too dark for me, if that's the case. There's still like places I would prefer to cover, and I don't like using multiple layers. I really like how it's settling in. Glad it's just the sample. I don't know if I would personally like repurchase this, but feeling very ghostly white, even though it matches my skin tone perfectly. It just feel a little sickly, like I'm looking a little sickly. I don't know, maybe it's just me being paranoid here. And the full size of this runs $36. So I have my eye makeup partially done, put some concealer on, and I'm just reaching back into the mystery bag, a Bella Pierre Cosmetics HD finishing powder. So it comes with a little mini poofy, and that's what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, blends in a lot easier. Yeah, I'm feeling very yellow. That foundation had like a yellow undertone. I usually prefer like rose or red undertone, or whatever they call it, red, warm. Yeah, but I really like this finishing powder. Just blends out like way better. Even though I look all ashy and the rest of my body looks so dark. Look, dark, ashy. Definitely a mismatch going on here. So this is my last item from my September bag, and I'm pretty sure this is a full size. Yep, this is a full size. So this is from Ofra, and it's a highlight. It's from the Ofra and Madison Miller, a limited edition collab between the beauty guru Ofra Gaito. Ofra is a real person? I thought Ofra was a brand. Wow, I didn't know that. And beauty lifestyle vlogger and mom, Madison Miller. Features highly pigmented shadows, glosses, blushes, and more. This rose gold hued baked highlighter glides on seamlessly to give you an out of this world glow. I rarely get Ofra products, so I'm super excited to try this. I think I've only ever gotten one Ofra product. Ooh, Ofra. You see it? Wow, I see it. I see it. It's called Sea Shimmer. Okay. Before I go any further, because usually I put it all over my face, that was the very last thing in my September. We're moving back to the mystery bag. And this too did have a highlighter. It's called Radiant Glow Highlighter by IBY Beauty. And it's called 24K Magic. Try and mix and match two different highlighters today. We'll see how that works. Okay, so that is the packaging by IBY Beauty. It's very cute, very compact. That's the back of it. It's like the exact same color. I will not be happy. So this is a little gold. So what I'm gonna actually do is try and put this directly underneath the little silver shimmer I have with Ofra. See how that works. Ooh, ooh, look like I'm attacking somebody. Oh, that is so bright. I don't know how I feel about this. This is like so bright. Holy moly. So that's the IBY on the inner corner and Ofra underneath the brow bone. Very nice, very nice. You can see the eyeshadow is already creasing. Not so nice, not so nice. Yeah, I'm so not happy with Beauty Crop. That's a fail for me. Last thing in the beauty bag that we have is, no, I don't want to do this one. This is from Pixi, and it is a glossy lip plumper, and it's Lip Lift Max. Lip plumpers I find like are super tingly, and I'm like, what are you doing to me? I'm gonna put it on anyway and just see how this works. Hey, who knows, I might absolutely love the shade so much that it's not gonna matter that it's a lip plumper. I might. I doubt it, but I might. It smells very minty. Does Pixi lip glosses usually smell super minty? Oh wow, that smells really minty. I'm scared. Oh, it's probably because of the plumper. I'd probably put some mint in that bad boy. And that's what the lip gloss looks like. Actually, It doesn't look like it has any color on it. Maybe a little bit more of a tint. Here comes the tingle. Yes, I can feel the tingle. It's very tingly. I feel like I should have used a lip liner before I put this on, because it's like, I don't feel like my lips are defined enough. Alright, I can't find any of my lip liners, so I'm just going to use an eyeliner. Well, it's defined now. Just a little bit darker than I anticipated. The mint situation is not that bad. Alright, that's it. That was all that was in my Ipsy Glam Bag for September and my mystery bag. Have a good night. Bye.